The secret to capturing breathtaking outdoor portraits lies in a simple yet powerful photography tool, the umbrella. Imagine being able to tame harsh sunlight and create a soft, ethereal glow around your subject. This is precisely what an umbrella can do for your photography, a tool often overlooked by enthusiasts and professionals alike. The umbrella is a game changer for outdoor shoots. In this video, we'll delve into the world of umbrella photography and explore its various applications. From weddings to commercial shoots, this versatile tool is sure to elevate your photography game. So, let's get started and discover the magic of umbrella photography. Umbrellas have been used in photography for decades, but their popularity has waxed and waned over the years. Today, they're experiencing a resurgence in popularity, particularly among wedding and portrait photographers. But why is the umbrella so effective at controlling light? Unique ability to diffuse and soften light. Portable and easy to set up, creating a flattering and natural look. Diffusers. Portable and easy to set up, creating a flattering and natural look. This makes them an ideal choice for outdoor shoots, where time and flexibility are crucial. But how does an umbrella actually work? In simple terms, the umbrella uses a combination of reflectors and diffusers to scatter light and reduce harsh shadows. The result is a soft, even illumination that's perfect for capturing delicate details and textures. But that's not the strangest part. The umbrella can also be used to create dramatic, high-contrast images. By positioning the umbrella at a 45-degree angle, you can create a striking contrast between light and dark. This technique is particularly effective for capturing moody, atmospheric portraits. However, using an umbrella in this way requires a bit more finesse and planning.
You'll need to consider the position of the sun, the background, and the direction of the light.
So, how do you get the most out of your umbrella? Positions to don't achieve, be the afraid to try desired new effect. Positions to don't achieve, be the afraid to try desired new effect things, and push the boundaries of what's possible with an umbrella. In fact, some of the most stunning umbrella shots are created by experimenting with unconventional techniques. Another trick is to combine the umbrella with other diffusers and reflectors to achieve even greater control over the light. This can be especially useful for capturing complex, high-contrast scenes. But what about when the sun is too harsh or too weak? In these situations, you may need to use additional light sources or modifiers to achieve the desired effect. This is where the umbrella really comes into its own as a versatile tool that can be adapted to any situation. Of course, the umbrella is not a replacement for traditional light sources or modifiers. You can complementary tool that can be used to truly enhance and refine your breathtaking lighting images setup. Techniques. You can complementary tool that can be used to truly enhance and refine your breath. In fact, some of the most stunning umbrella shots are created by combining it with other diffusers and reflectors. This requires a bit more planning and experimentation, but the results are well worth it. So, how do you incorporate the umbrella into your photography workflow? One key tip is to practice using it in different situations and environments. This will help you develop a feel for how the umbrella interacts with light and shadow. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. This is where the magic happens. And remember, the umbrella is just one tool in your photography arsenal. By reflectors combining it with other tools and techniques, you can create truly unique and captivating images. What are the key takeaways from this video? By reflectors combining it with other tools and techniques. In fact, but the results are well worth it. What are the key takeaways from this video? Firstly, the umbrella is a powerful tool for controlling light and creating a soft, natural look. Secondly, it can be used in a variety of ways to achieve different effects and moods. And thirdly, it's a versatile tool that can be adapted to any situation or environment. By incorporating the umbrella into your photography workflow, you can create truly breathtaking images. So, if you found this video informative and engaging, subscribe for more photography tips and tricks. And don't forget to like and comment below with your thoughts and experiences with the umbrella. Want to see more photography tutorials and tips? Subscribe for more.